The July 2023 update brings you 13 new presets to explore in Krotos Studio. We've also introduced a brand new content package manager, meaning you can install the sounds directly within the software. New ambiences include Festival Camp, which brings the sound of rain, insects, crowd noises and music stages. There are also new ambiences recorded around Berlin in Germany, including districts and junction sounds, and a platform and the interior of a Schnellbahn train. In the cinematic category, there is now Dark Storm, bringing even more powerful rises, impacts and other cinematic sound effects. There are 5 new Foley presets including straw sipping, drink sipping, body pats, animal tracks and sofa sitting and standing sounds. In the whoosh category comes the Mellow Shift preset, which provides more subtle whooshes and transitions. And in the weapon category there is now Combat Society, which brings a range of brutal sounding hand-to-hand combat sound effects. Also new to Krotos Studio in July is the new Content Package Manager. The Content Package Manager lets subscribers download their monthly sound effects directly within the software. Once the download is finished, the sounds will be automatically added to the correct category. Log into Krotos Studio to download the new update, install the new content and start creating Hollywood sound in seconds.